So today I'm going to be showing you what a real day in the life looks like with the 14-inch MacBook Pro. Let's not waste any more time and get straight into it. I usually start my day off with a quick shower, getting dressed and having some breakfast. Today I will bring my MacBook Pro to watch some videos while I eat and prepare my breakfast. Before I start making breakfast, I like to pat my dog. Today I'm going to be eating some nuts, muesli and some milk. Yum. I like to add a bit of fruit in there to make things a bit more interesting. While I'm eating my breakfast, I like to watch a bit of YouTube to get some inspiration for my own videos. As you can tell, I've got a long way to go. After breakfast, I usually like to go for a quick walk in the wilderness with my dog when I don't have uni on that day. He gets zoomies when we let him off the leash. Here are some cinematic slow-mo shots of him showing us what true freedom looks like. I didn't take the MacBook Pro with me because, if I'm being completely honest, not everyone takes their MacBook Pro with them everywhere they go, and I'm not going to be going to a cafe to share with you what it looks like. After having a good time in the great outdoors, it's time to have some lunch. I usually have lunch at home. I'd be lying if I said I went to a nice hipster cafe all the time with my MacBook Pro. Today we are having pasta. Wifey made this. After lunch, it's usually a good time to catch up on any editing I need to do and get things sorted out in Notion. I use Notion as a planner and organizer for content as well. Today, I'll be simply editing this video you are watching on Final Cut Pro. It usually takes me a day or two to fully edit a YouTube video. It used to take me longer. But with time and learning the settings on Final Cut Pro, my editing process has become more efficient. As of recent, I've started to create Insta Reels. I enjoy the process of making short form content. I think it's not great to consume a whole lot of short form content, but I do enjoy creating it as it pushes my creativity. I usually shoot my reels either in the kitchen with one studio light I got from Amazon or just using natural light depending on how sunny it is. Today, I'll be using natural light as it is a beautiful sunny day. After this, I like to edit the reel as soon as I can. I do this on Final Cut Pro. I like to stack 3 to 4 videos on top of each other using a custom overlay and add any color grades, speed adjustments and effects to the video at the end. After this, I get into my uni work. I usually like to complete any pre-work I have to complete for the week on the weekends. I do this at my home office using my monitor. The monitor that I'm using is a Dell U2720Q. It has been great for my needs as a university student as I can multitask. I enjoy having some calming music that isn't distracting in the background while I do this. After this, I like to just relax and plan my week ahead. I use Notion to add all the tasks I have to do in the week, broken up into personal tasks and tasks that are related to my studies. This has helped me to stay on task throughout the week. Also, the way that I've set up this planner allows me to move things around if I miss things or don't have time on a particular day to complete the task. This method reduces the stress of worrying about completing every single task on a given day. I feel like the 14-inch MacBook Pro is a great all-round device that has allowed me to be more creative. Before purchasing this laptop, it would take me much longer to complete editing videos due to the processing power of the device I was using at the time. The processing power of this laptop is the main reason I chose to go for the Pro model. I have the base model and it is still fast enough for all of my creative and personal needs. Anyway, if you enjoyed watching this video, consider subscribing to the channel. If you really enjoyed it, like this video and comment on what your favorite part of this video was. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.